Hello and welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to make a very hot sauce. It's based on a Surinamian recipe. It's called Madame Jeanette sauce. Let's go over the ingredients we need. We got some pickles, we got a garlic clove and a shallot, a good tablespoon of mustard, some coarse sea salt, and we got these Surinamian chilies. They're called Madame Jeanette. They are very hot. We got our parsley. I took some of the vinegar from the pickles. If you got some lime juice, it's very good as well. And we also need a few tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once you have washed your Madame Jeanette chilies, we're gonna take out the stems. Make sure you use gloves because these are very hot, and don't touch your eyes or your face or your skin. If you want some less heat, take out the seeds with a little spoon. Goes very easy. I'm gonna leave them because I like the real rocket fuel version of this sauce. The shallot, just cut it grossly. Same for the garlic and the pickles. And we're gonna use our kitchen processor to do the rest. So we're gonna get our ingredients in there, the chilies, the pickles, the shallots, there we go, the mustard, our sea salt, and we're going to chop this very finely. We're going to add a little bit of our vinegar or lime juice. 3 tablespoons I would say. One thing I completely forgot is the parsley. So we're going to add a few tablespoons of vegetable oil. Here we go again. And so here we got our sauce Madame Jeanette. You only need a little teaspoon on your meal. Believe me, this is rocket fuel. It's going to get you straight to the moon. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Bon appetit and see you back soon.